We're going to be unboxing a mask by MasksByArrow10 on Etsy. Let's start. Yeah, I can't wait. So, but let's hope I can open this faster. Well, it's harder to open than I expected, but yeah, I'm very excited to see it. It looks so good in the picture, so hopefully it's as it looks. Oh, there's some stickers. That's cute. Some stickers I can put in a notebook or something. A ton of paper stuff. More paper stuff. I'm just halfway digging through a thank you note. That's very nice. Can just see a glimpse of the mask now. Oh my. Here's where the mask starts. Let's open this from the bubble wrap. Oh, look at that. It's called Arrow, like the maker. I'm gonna call it Arrow because it makes sense, doesn't it? How cute is that? I'm gonna wear it. Look at this. Like, it's super good quality. Well, at least it is to me. Some of you might not like it, but it's my opinion. I like it. I got it for £19, which is not so bad. So yeah. Hope you enjoyed the video.